In this video I'm going to show you how to change Safari browser language on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. You can change the language of that Safari elements, and to be able to do that, just go into settings and there scroll down until you find Safari, enter it. There tap Add Language, and here you can switch a language to suggested languages or select any language from that list. For example, I'll hit Add Chinese, and now I can go back to Safari, and as you see, all browser elements language has been changed to Chinese. In any time I can go back and change this language back to English or to other language that I want. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.